case you're wondering why we have Lego machines on display, stay tuned. Not only it is nice to sometimes still be a boy and put them together, which is a great passion of mine, but these Lego machines also really nicely show where bushings are located in these machines, and I can show you also which of the SBS bushings go into which details. Let's take this excavator for example. We have a telescopic boom, as well as of course bucket hinges in order to load and unload the dirt or the sand, whatever they are digging. Now, for the hinges at the bucket, you mainly would find either our fair mass solid steel bushings or special steel bushings, which is our Fairman series, or also sometimes you find our Bromas solid bronze bushings inside. It is very easy to see with these models where bushings are located. Everywhere we can see a slow rotation, a bushing will be needed. Inside the hydraulic cylinder you will find wearings from our Concordee material, as well as guide bushings from our Tefmet material to guide the rod into the rod housing. And on the cap end as well as on the rod end you will normally find bronze bushings, Bromas, or our fair mass bushing steel bushings, but most of the time you find spherical plain bearings. And that's one of the many reasons why SBS bushings are fun.